YouTube, welcome back, and as always, let's get right to it. Appreciate everyone continuing to support my channel. I'm Junior, and today I had just got a special delivery, as you can see, and I figured why not share it with my subscribers. Amazon Prime. Hope everybody's had a good week, good weekend. Me myself, I had a great weekend. Definitely enjoyed the All-Star game and festivities. I didn't go, but I watched it on TV. Still, it was a good weekend. You don't know what none of this stuff is. This is a RAM mount. Right now, my phone is currently up on a tripod. When I'm out on my bike, I need to have my phone secure so, you know, it won't drop or I won't accidentally cut the recording off in my pocket. But this is gonna allow me to give you guys good video while I'm on my bike. All right, sorry about that, YouTube. So, unpackage everything as you can see. We have the actual RAM mount. This is what's going to be used to hold my phone in place. Not too sure what the rubbery deal is, but we'll figure it out. We also have holders for the nut that's going to also hold everything in place. We have a ball joint. This is the actual stem that goes down into the fork. We have one screw. We have a double ball joint socket, tape measure, scissors, knife. We have a pen, of course, my handy screwdriver set, and this is some type of adhesive glue. I don't believe I'm gonna need this. And of course, the first video, my helmet camera, my Cena 10C Pro, because I'm gonna have to switch off of my camera here and finish on that. All right. Okay, so in the garage, first thing you want to do is use your stem and you want to place it inside of your fork. You want to push it down as far as it can go. Like so. I think I'm just going to hold the camera. So, next thing you want to do, you want to take a measurement. That's what the pen is for. So I'm going to measure, make sure it's all the way pressed in, and mark all around. Okay, switched it back up. Now we're back inside. So this is basically what I just did, that top line. Now, you're supposed to measure 1 inch from this line and make another line. So, there's two ways to do this. Of course, tape measure. Or if you don't have a tape measure, which I forgot where this was, I recently just found it, you can always use your finger. This is 1 inch from your tip down to the first little line on your finger. So you can always do that and then mark it right there, as I'm about to do. Using my finger. So you don't have to have a tape measure. But if you do have a tape measure, said, you just want to measure 1 inch, and see it's lining exactly up with my finger, so you don't necessarily need this, but just in case you do have one, I just wanted to show you both options. Okay, now we have our 2 lines, and now you can use either the scissors or the knife, and you want to cut by your guidelines, like so. I'm gonna use the knife, but again, you can also use scissors. So this is how it should look once you're finished. Okay. All right, now we're gonna open up this package with the screw, the washers, and the gold bolts. For the round ball, you have a little hole. The screw goes inside of there, like so. Then you want to use the washer closest to your cutout. And I just got lucky and I grabbed one on the first one. Now this. So, to recap, I put the screw inside of there, like so. Washer goes on there. Top part goes onto there. So that's how it's looking so far. Now for the bottom part, probably the last one will be the one I use. This one looked like it was a little too big. Just break it off, so. Place the little nugget inside, like so. Should line up like that. Now, the groovy part goes towards the plastic. Like that. And then you're just gonna screw it together. Not too tight, but just enough so it won't fall off. And once you screw this bottom part in, this is how it should look. And the rest is fairly easy. Now it's just about installing it down into the bike. Okay, as I was saying earlier, guys, once you have the pieces in place, the rest is just fairly easy. Just all about the install now. All I'm doing now is just pressing it down as far as I can. That's pretty much as far as I can press it. Now, you don't have to have a T-handle hex key screwdriver. You can use a regular screwdriver, but I just happen to have one, so this is what I'm going to use. And you're just going to tighten it up. And this is a double socket, so no right or wrong way to do this. What I'm pretty much doing now is just trying to set it to where I pretty much want it to be. There you have it. Now the final test. Okay, YouTube, this is just another final look at how your round mount will look on your bike inside your fork stem. And again, I'm by no means a mechanic, far from it. It's just, my whole purpose for this channel was to motivate, inspire, and of course entertain people. And I figured, why not take people along this journey with me as I learn my bike and learn more about riding and being a biker. And just as I'm installing stuff, I'm just gonna make sure I bring you along this journey. With me. Once again, ram mount installed. This is Junior. Peace.